Suzuki LT-250R won't start refers to when the all-terrain vehicle's engine will not activate and begin to work. In other words, the ATV cranks but won't turn on, or it will not crank at all. Or it starts up with difficulty and maybe even dies shortly after. This video will detail what you need to check if your Suzuki LT-250R won't start. Now, if you plan to repair your own vehicle, make sure you download the factory repair manual. You can download the factory repair manual instantly at www.atvrepairmanual.com. The manual will cover everything mentioned here in an easy to understand step-by-step order. Okay, so just go to the website. When you get to the home page, just click on Repair Manual. Then click on the brand Suzuki. And then select your model and download it instantly. So if your Suzuki won't start, you need to check for low compression. And here are some things that will cause low compression. For example, worn piston rings or a cylinder, a stiff piston ring in place. Check for gas leaks from cylinder head, cylinder, or the joint in the crankcase. Check for damaged reed valve, spark plug not tightened down or too loose, broken or cracked piston. Another thing you need to check is whether or not you're getting spark. So you should check for a fouled spark plug, a spark plug that is wet, maybe has oil on it. Check whether the ignition coil is malfunctioning. If you have a short in the high tension cord, check for faulty primary coil, CDI unit, or pickup coil. And lastly, are you getting fuel to the carburetor? If not, you should check for a blockage in the fuel tank vent hose. Check for a blocked or defective fuel cock. Check for a defective carburetor needle valve or a clogged fuel pipe. And that's it. If your Suzuki 250 won't start, make sure you use this troubleshooting guide to determine the cause of the problem. If you're not sure how to check some of these components, then, as I mentioned before, just download the repair manual and it will guide you through the process.